Hi, this is Reddy. In this video, we are going to discuss about programming by using C#.net. So, let's start with the first program. The first program is write a console program to print one welcome message. So, here this programming we are going to implement in 3 steps. Step 1, design with OP. Step 2 is program, writing the program. Step 3 is tracing. Design with OP is nothing but expectable output. Here we are going to expect a welcome message to be printed, that is welcome to C#.net. Now let's go for step 2, that is program. Let's go for step 2, that is what program. So to write the program we go for Visual Studio, and in Visual Studio already we have created one application in our last video, that is my console application. Now which I am going to open, that is my console application I am going to open. Now we are going to write the program within the main method. So to print a message in C#.net we will write a statement called console.writeLine. So here welcome to C#.net, welcome to C#.net. So this is the line we have to write to get this output. Here console is a class. Console is a class. It's a predefined class. It is part of a library called, you can observe, system. System is a base class library. In that base class library Microsoft has defined a class called console that we are using. Here writeLine is what exactly? writeLine is a predefined member method of console class. That's why we are writing console.writeLine, and this method actual functionality is printing the given value on command prompt window. After printing the value it will move the cursor to next line. The next statement is console.readLine. So here readLine is also a member method of console class. The functionality of readLine is holding the output window, and these 2 lines code will get the expectable output, that is welcome to C#.net. After we write the code, just build the solution, nothing but compilation, and you get a message called build succeeded. You will get a message called build succeeded. Next, after this we just try to execute, debug, start debugging. Start debugging. Now you can observe, you will get the output called welcome to C#.net. Now you can see the output, welcome to C#.net. So that means whenever you run this application, program execution starts from main method. First this line will execute, that is console.writeLine. WriteLine is a method will be printing the given value on output window. After printing the value it will move the cursor to next line. Then after this control will execute console.readLine. That readLine is doing what? Holding the command prompt to window. Once you press enter, it will leave the output window. So the same program we can implement in third step, that is called tracing. That is nothing but third step is nothing but tracing. We go for tracing. Tracing is a beautiful process of executing the program line by line with our hand. So let's go for tracing. Just I am making this code as an image. Now you can see here I am doing the tracing. OP, nothing but expectable output. Now whenever you run this program execution starts from main method, and first this line will execute. Here console.writeLine. So here console will not execute because it is a class will never execute. WriteLine will execute. The WriteLine method is executing what exactly? It is printing the message like welcome to C#.net, and after printing the value it will move the cursor to next line. Next this line will execute, that is console.readLine. Here readLine is a method will be holding the command prompt window until user press an enter key. Once user pressed enter, it will leave. After this control will encounter the closing brace of the main method. With this program execution is completed. So thank you very much.